Now let's move on to next section, which is gallery. Let me collapse this part, and then gallery section dot gallery, and then container, then heading and text center, and then margin bottom as 5, and then gallery. Now here we are not going to use a row. Instead of that, we are going to use card columns. Let's see what is that card column. Just search card columns, and then you can see this is basically a machinery like columns. Here we can place variable dimension images like this. Okay, there is no space. Okay, and for that we can enable it using just dot card columns, and then inside we should have card. Okay, so let's use this card columns, and then one card. Okay, and then let's place our image img gallery pick one, and then class should be card img top. Okay, and let's preview it. You can see we get our image. Now we should able to see the full width of the image on clicking of it. To do that, I am using a simple plugin, Simple Lightbox. If you see this kind of gallery and click on it, you get this kind of effect. Very nice effect. Okay, to enable it, this is the documentation, and just use this one line to enable the Simple Lightbox. To get the CSS and JS, I am going to cdn.js and then typing Simple Lightbox, and the first one, and copy the JS URL and pasting it here, script.source, and then paste. And for styling, switch it to styling, and then copy the simple lightbox.min.css, and then paste it above the style CSS. To enable this simple lightbox, I need to write some JavaScript. Let's write it to another file, which is JS, and then script.js. I need to create that JS folder now. JS, inside that let's add script.js. Here we need to basically add this one line code. Okay, and remove this unnecessary part. Now you can see we have gallery and then anchor tag. Let's do this. For that, the code is very simple. We have parent div as gallery, and then inside we have anchor tag href to the full width of the image, and inside image tag to the thumbnail image. Okay, so here we have card. Let's wrap the image inside anchor, and then link to the image. Right now our thumbnail and full width image is same, and then let's preview it. Here we have got the pointer. Click on it. Perfect. Now let's add more images. I just selected the text, and using a shortcut Shift Alt down arrow 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 images. And then let's quickly rename it. Control D to Control D to select 3 and then Control 10. Okay, now if I save it, you can see we got our gallery. Now if you click on the image, you will get this nice effect, and I can navigate as well. One more customization you can do is, if you go to the Bootstrap documentation, I can add column count for the card columns. You can see here, so right now you can see we have default as 3. I can basically add 4 column count. To do this, just add the property column count to card column class here. So gallery, and then gallery card columns and column count to 4. And if you save it, and you can see I am getting 4 column count and effective same. Let's add padding to the gallery. Dot gallery padding top bottom 6 rem and left right 0. Okay, perfect. This way our gallery section is also complete.